Hello and welcome, dear friends. In this video, I want to introduce a dedicated messenger called Lumo Team Messenger. This plugin won't slow your site down at all. That's because its database system has a special ability. It can run on a completely separate database from WordPress. This means all the messages and chat data live somewhere else. In the settings, you simply enter that other database's connection info. Once you save it, the plugin connects to it. From then on, it stores everything there instead of your main site's database. So don't worry about speed at all. This is a full messenger and a complete task management system. It installs right on your own WordPress. It's great for businesses. You can easily manage your work with it. It lets people stay connected and has different task features. I'll install this messenger for you later in this video. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Keep this point in mind as we move through the next part. This is one of those details that really matters in practice. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. You can see the databases are all set up, and messaging works too. It's a complete messenger with voice file support. It has voice messages, calling, GIFs, and stickers. It can even send files, and it connects to Telegram. You can easily see all this with the data going into whichever database you want or the WordPress database. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Keep this point in mind as we move through the next part. This is one of those details that really matters in practice. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Or you can keep it as a database separate from the actual site. Everything is manageable, secure, and complete, right at your disposal. You can create groups for your members. You've got channels and group chats too, so people can talk to each other, plus a complete content management system. With it, you can create different boards and cards to organize your content. You can assign tasks to everyone on your team. It's a complete system ready for you to use. Okay, let's move over to our browser now. Let's go ahead and install the Lumo Team Messenger plugin. This will let us see what it actually looks like. Okay, here's a quick preview of it. This right here is Team Messenger. You can see this group has several members listed. Over here, you can see all the shared files everyone has uploaded. That's basically how this part works. You can also message your friends quickly right from this same window. It's easy whenever you need to reach them without switching apps. Then, further down, there's the task management section. That's where you can organize and track your team's work and see what still needs to get done. Take a look at the menu on the left side. It has two sections, setting and monitoring. From here, you can create different tasks for your project. You can move the cards around to organize them however you like. You can even add notes to them, enter important information, leave comments, and other useful details as you go. Setting it up is easy. I go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. To get this plugin, all you need to do is head over to lumowp.com and check out the plugins page. Once you're there, take a moment to look around the page itself. On this plugin page, you can see all its features, the current version, and the full changelog. Everything you need to know before deciding is laid out right there for you. And you can get access to it for a very low cost. That makes it easy on your budget, especially if you're just starting out and watching what you spend. Choose the plugin for one site or select several instead. Watch the price adjust right there on screen. Either way, the total cost stays low. Let's talk about the yearly plan. It gives you full access to every feature. Nothing is held back. The price stays the same no matter which option you choose. What matters most is how many sites you'll activate it on. That's the key decision here. Find the plugin at lumowp.com. Take a look when you're ready. Installing it is simple, so let's walk through it together. First, I go to Add Plugin. Then I click Choose File and select the file I already downloaded earlier. Next, I'll click the Install button to begin. Okay, the plugin has finished installing now. Finally, I'll click the Activate button to turn it on. Once the plugin's installed, a new menu option appears called Messenger. Under Messenger, you'll find a few options to explore. There's Messenger itself, then Task, then Settings, and finally Monitoring. Now, if I click on Messenger, it first asks for a license key. So I'll enter my license here. Once it's activated, the plugin asks us to configure the database before we can move forward. This step matters a lot. The database is essential for Messenger to work properly. since it stores everything the plugin needs to run. You can see that message right on the screen telling us setup isn't finished yet. So I'll click Go to Setup, and we'll move ahead with configuring the database together. And here it asks where you want the database to be located. Do you want to use your current site's database or connect to an external one instead? If you choose external, you can enter the login information for a different database. That way, Messenger connects entirely to that separate database instead of this one. But for this install, we'll just use this same database we already have. That's perfectly fine to do, since the tables Messenger creates stay completely separate from your other existing tables. Now I'll go ahead and click Install. The system gets created for us right away, and we can move on to the next step. The Messenger opens right up for us. Now we can send messages to our friends. Take a look at this example right here on the screen. In the settings section, there are several options we can set up. We can adjust each one to fit how we want the Messenger to look. For example, we can change the color scheme to whatever suits us. Depending on your company's colors, you can choose different shades for the overall theme. This helps the Messenger match your brand identity. And here, you'll enter your team name, like lumowp.com. That way, people will recognize exactly who they're chatting with. Put your team's name here, and you can even add a logo if you'd like. Now it asks, who has access to the team messenger? That simply means deciding who is allowed to message each other inside the platform. For testing purposes, I've already set up a few regular users here. Regular users usually don't need that kind of messaging access, so by default, that access is turned on for them. But watch closely what happens when I turn this setting on instead. Look at the messenger section now, right here on the screen. If I search for my colleagues' names, you'll see the results update and change right away. It brings up the list of people right away without any extra steps. From there, I can message a colleague here just like this. I never have to leave the screen to do it. Sending messages this way is really easy for anyone to pick up. Now, in the Task Manager section, you'll find cards that are already made for you. They're ready to use right out of the box, but you're not stuck with those default cards. You can customize each one to fit exactly what you need it to do. You can even go further than that. You can create dedicated boards of your own. For example, up here, I'll click and start creating a new board. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Now let's move on to the UI design board. Add people to it so everyone can communicate together in one place. Once that board is created, I can go ahead and create a task right on it. Then, over here, I have the option to add more details to that task. This lets me include instructions or context the team might need. Let me go ahead and leave a note here now, so the team can see it and stay on the same page. Now we can add a comment here, save the file, and go ahead and create the task. In the task section, you have the option to set a date. You can pick a specific date or time for it, and then assign it to someone on the team. From here, you can also do a bit more customization. You can choose different colors for the label to keep things organized. For example, let's add a design label right here, so the task is easy to spot later. Once everything looks good, just hit save when you're done. You can always come back and edit these details afterward. Okay, your first card is saved right here. And this reopen button, you see, is there for when a task runs a little late. So we can reopen it as a gentle nudge, reminding us to follow up on the project again. And you can use that same reopen option on different cards too, not just this one. Whenever you're ready, you can simply place it there. Notice how the card slides into position as soon as you drop it. The Messenger section also has more settings for you to explore. For example, we can create a group right here at the top of the screen. Once you name that group, it will appear in your list right away. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. I'll type in design group, and I'll add some of my friends here to it. Now we've got a group set up with people already inside it. They're members of that group now. We can see each person's files listed separately here. You can click these buttons to see all the members, or click another button to make someone an admin, or click yet another to assign them a specific role within the group. Overall, this messenger system is quite powerful. It has lots of settings you can explore on your own. But to keep this video from running too long, I'll stop here for now. Also, keep in mind that the Messenger has another feature you can use. You can show this on the front end too. You simply do it by sharing a link with someone. Anyone who has access to that link can log in. They can see everything right away without any extra steps. So without ever logging into the dashboard themselves, they can just go there. They can start chatting right away. They can connect directly with their coworkers. Beyond that, there are various settings available in the connection section. These settings let you control exactly how this whole thing works. You can also connect to FTP to manage your files on the server. This lets you transfer them easily and without hassle. The settings are simple, so you won't run into trouble. You can even message friends directly from the same interface. Good luck, and goodbye for now.